मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. For them that I'm in Birmingham. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the love, the trust for so many years. Birmingham में मैंने perform किया था. I think 15-20 साल पहले, around 15-20 years ago, I had done a show called The Heartthrobs, which we performed, and it was such a big hit that we had to perform again the next day because of the love that all my fans from Birmingham and the love that you've given me for so many years, so loyal, so much love. And thank you to Malabar Gold and Diamonds family for allowing this love and allowing my fans to come here, share their love with me and enjoy this moment of our largest flagship store, Malabar Gold and Diamonds, here in Birmingham. So we have to be patient. I love you guys. Thank you.
Do you pick your jewelry first or your outfit first? What comes first?
Oh, well, I think all the girls will agree that I pick my Malabar diamonds and gold first.
Fantastic.
There's no
That's the
two
right
ways
answer.
about that.
That's the right answer, yes.
Yes, of course. I mean, everyone trusts me. My fans are the most loyal fans I've had for 25-26 years. I think everybody will agree and trust me with that.
Absolutely. We were saying that it is the coming together of two legendary brands. You've been around for 25 years. People love you. I wanted to ask you, Kareena, you have transitioned so beautifully from the big screen to OTT, LR roles, one after the other. Where do you draw the inspiration from?
I draw the inspiration from every girl's favorite line. कि मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. I think that's the best line that every woman and every girl should draw their inspiration from, and I think that's what inspires me, because I always say that acting is something that is just in my blood, and I wish to continue doing forever and ever.
Fantastic. Now my colleague Portia has some questions for you, I think.
Hello. Right. You know what? I've got to be honest with you. A lot of people here, they want to see what they hear in the UK, bust a move. Do you know what I mean by bust a move?
Well, I mean now, at least now I know what that means.
Okay. It means have a look. Do you guys want to see Kareena Kapoor dancing on the stage?
Chameli?
Is wrong!
No!
Job we met!
God!
Guys, clear the stage please, just to one side, I'm sorry, a punishment is a punishment. I'm sorry. It's